Light removes darkness.
And knowledge removes fear.
To seek the blessings of the Almighty, I respectfully invite our respected Principal Ma'am, teachers, and parent representatives to kindly come forward for the ceremonial lighting of the lamp.
आरोग्यं धनसम्पदाम् शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योति नमोऽस्तुते दिव्यादिव्यारे दीपत्कार कानि कुण्डलमोतिहार दिव्यालापाहं नमस्कार तिरासिते कापसाची वार दिवासे देवापाशी उजेड पडे विष्णू पाशी माझा नमस्कार सर्व देव देवतांपाशी ये ग लक्ष्मी बैसवादे माझं घर तुला साधे आरोग्यं धनसम्पदां शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदां शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योति शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदाम्
Thank you.
Now, eyes.
Hare
Childhood, no worries, no stress, just smile, just love.
Happy birthday, you're 13 today. Congratulations, now no more cartoons, time to become serious. Serious? Already?
You are growing fast. Soon your voice will become.
No, Daddy, please don't predict my future.
Without realizing, the little red
Aryan, hurry up! The school bus won't wait because you're watching reels. 2 minutes? Okay, just 1 minute. You said that 20 reels ago. Listen carefully. Today's schedule: school, maths, tuition, Olympiad practice, coding class, English speaking, homework, revision, meditation, vocabulary, current affairs, sleep. Dad, when should I read? Sunday. Sometimes I feel I'm not the sun. I'm being broken. Marks, matter the competition is increasing. Enough. Everybody only talks about my marks. Nobody asks what I'm feeling.
sometimes pressure doesn't make dance. Sometimes it creates cracks.
Angela Pereira, Arjuna Megam कोचिंग ओलंपियाड हर दिन तैयारी सफलता ही है हमारी जिम्मेदारी है जिम्मेदारी
करो करो सबसे आगे निकलो। पर जरा ये भी पूछो, बेटा आप कैसे हो?
कैसे हो
because we are bad.
They come because we don't want to feel left out.
चलिए क्लास छोड़ मस्ती कर यही है असली फन पीछे रहेगा तो समझो मिस हो जाएगा हर मूवमेंट मन कहे ना दोस्त कहे हाँ इसकी बात मैं मानूं डर है सब आगे ना बढ़ जाए मैं पीछे ना रह जाऊं पीछे ना रह जाऊं पीछे ना रह जाऊं फोनों के चक्कर में मत खो अपनी पहचान सही राह चुनने वाला ही बनता है सच्चा इंसान सच्चा इंसान सच्चा इंसान सुनो 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 जरा बचपन पीछे आगे क्या सुनो सुनो look another pimple I am finished it's only one yesterday one today three tomorrow Mount Everest pimples in real life everyone's getting taller I'm still tiny why is all this happening क्या हो रहा है क्यों मैं बदल रहा हूँ आईने में खुद को देखकर अधूर में समझ रहा हूँ आवाज बदल रही है मन भी लग रहा है तकलीफ कभी गुस्सा या आगे हो क्या रहा है नहीं या रहा है जीवन ही पहचान है क्या हो रहा है क्यों मैं बदल रहा हूँ आईने में खुद को देखकर अधूर में समझ रहा हूँ Enough mobile. I'm studying on Instagram. Educational reels. Really? Topic: How to avoid studying. You don't listen what I say. Okay, I'm going to play that. Listen, Aryan's father.
What happened?
He's becoming rude.
He never behaved like this.
Don't scold him. Talk to him. So let's meet a counselor.
Yeah, you are right. It might help us.
Hey, you didn't score today. What's wrong?
Everyone wants something from me. Marks, success, behavior. But nobody asks whether I'm happy or not.
You are not alone. We all feel this.
Problems become smaller when shared. Don't run away from home. Talk to them.
कोई नहीं समझता कोई नहीं सुनता दिल की बातें दिल में ही रह जाती है क्या मुझ पे कोई भरोसा नहीं क्या मुझसे कोई प्यार नहीं डांट नहीं अपनापन दो ताने नहीं विश्वास दो विश्वास दो विश्वास दो प्यार और संवाद से ही हर किशोर को नई उड़ान दो सुनो 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 जरा बचपन पीछे आगे क्या सुनो 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 जरा Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Please settle down. Please open your books, everyone. Today, we are beginning with a new chapter that every one of you are experiencing right now. Can any one of you guess the topic?
Human body.
Nutrition. Voice breaking.
No. Very close. Today's topic is adolescence. Can any one of you guess what adolescence means? Ma'am? Adolescence is the stage between childhood to adulthood. It usually starts between the age of 10 to 19. During this period, our mind, body, emotions undergo many changes. Have any one of you noticed changes in yourself?
Ma'am, my voice suddenly became rough. Yesterday, my friend said that I sounded like cartoons, and today they said that I sounded like a news reporter.
That's completely normal during puberty.
Why do people suddenly appear? I wash my face every day.
Pimples are common because our hormones become more active during adolescence.
Ma'am, why do I get angry so quickly in this day? Even a small things irritate me.
That's another normal change. Hormones also affect our emotions.
Ma'am, why do we become so conscious about our looks?
Talk to our parents. Please, if all is normal.
Yes,
ma'am. Please talk to our parents.
Okay.
हर स्टूडेंट की आंख में खींच कर जरूर देखकर मैं बहुत खुश हूँ।
प्रेशर कुकर जैसे सर की बच जाएगा सीटी तब तक मार रट्टा मार। ओ पटक पटक के सर गिरावे नॉलेज की दीवार रट्टा मार रट्टा मार। चढ़ जाए जो बुखार कॉफी से तू उतार खींच खींच के भेजा चल लेते हार यार रट्टा मार। ओ रट्टा मार रट्टा मार।
Train running at a certain speed causes a stationary image and
Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are well. Adolescence is the one of the most important phase of our life. To help us understand this beautiful journey, let's welcome our doctor and counselor. Good morning, students and parents. Let me ask you a simple question. Students, have you noticed changes in your height, voice, or appearance recently? Wonderful. That means your body is growing exactly as nature intended. During adolescence, hormones help our body mature. Changes like increase in height, voice in boys, menstruation in girls, acne, sweating, and hair growth are completely natural. So, never feel embarrassed or compare yourself with others. Everyone grows at their own pace.
Now, let me ask something different. How many of you sometimes feel stressed, misunderstood, or think that no one understands you? Parents, did you notice that? These children are not being difficult. Many are simply trying to understand themselves.
Sometimes I feel that everyone expects me to score the highest marks.
I get scared if I say no to my friends. They won't include me anymore. I compare myself on social media and feel I'm not good enough.
We only push them because we want them to succeed.
But now I realize that perhaps we forgot to ask how they are feeling.
Exactly. Children don't only need advice, they need someone who will listen without immediately judging them.
And remember this, growing up also means learning responsibility. Speak respectfully with your parents. Share your worries honestly. Eat healthy, sleep well, stay physically active, and limit unnecessary screen time.
Parents, replace comparison with encouragement, pressure with support, and criticism with conversation. A child who feels trusted develops confidence to make good decisions.
So it's okay that I don't become perfect overnight.
showcase learning from every subject. This year, we chose to focus on one special theme.
Adolescence, the journey towards a responsible adult.
Why?
Because we believe that while academic knowledge is essential, understanding our children's emotions, thoughts, and challenges is equally important.
Today's adolescents are growing up in a rapidly changing world, facing emotional, social, and behavioral challenges that require our attention, patience, and understanding.
As our educators see their strengths, dreams, and struggles every day, and felt this way was a conservation that needed to be shared with parents as well.
Our purpose today was not just to present the program, but to encourage open communication between parents, students, and teachers.
So that we can listen, understand, and support our children in becoming confident, compassionate, and responsible individuals.
We sincerely hope today's presentation inspires all of us to strengthen the bond between home and school and continue this journey together.
Before we invite our respected principal ma'am to address us,
We would like to pause for a few moments, not just to applaud the performance, but to reflect upon it. Today's presentation was not meant to provide all the answers. Instead, it was meant to begin a conversation.
we would like to invite a few parents to share their thoughts. What was one moment in today's presentation that touched your heart the most? Anybody?
Anyone, please? I think it was a sensitive topic. You all are going through it.
What was one moment in today's presentation that touched your heart the most?
कोई ऐसा मोमेंट आज की प्रेजेंटेशन में जो आपको टच कर गया हो, with which you got relate? Okay, yes.
Inside the child's brain, what is going on in their minds, and what they are thinking, and how they want to express themselves, but nobody around them is trying to at least understand them. But instead, they are always telling them how they have to be, and how they have to lead, and how they have to always lead the competition in the school, as well as in all the other activities. But no one is getting inside their brain and trying to get what they are thinking. And that insight is a very good point.
Exactly, ma'am. Putting pressure of winning all the competition. Not a way, not a way. Just help them. Enhance their confidence. Yes, you can participate in each and every competition, but winning is not required. Winning is not mandatory all the time. Just experience each and every activity. When we put the winning mandatory, that means they lose their confidence on the very first step. I'm not going to win because many more students are much better than him or her. So this is the very first point where they lose the confidence. So don't make winning mandatory for them. Sometimes we win and sometimes we learn. Not lose, we never lose. Sometimes we win and sometimes we learn. To make them learn, encourage them to learn. And the biggest need of the time is talk to them, listen to them. Because nowadays environment is such a kind where a free access of OTT, where they watch anything. I'm not against our government, but government is doing nothing about it. The false language is being used in all the series, movies, and everywhere. And we just give them freedom to watch that content on the OTT.